Today we're back at the Green Dome School in Northeast Calgary. We put 3 units up on the roof last week. This week we're back to put 7 pieces of these huge air handling units in on the floor. You can see behind me, we're load walking them in onto our skates. We're gonna jack and roll them onto their pads. We got Lloyd on the sticks. We got Brock and Beebs upstairs. They're the real jack and roll stars. I'm down here facilitating these units coming in, taking the plastic off and rigging them up and sending them up to the boys.
Get in the, a little bit more. A little bit more. Hold that.
Hold. First one in under an hour. Let's go get the next one. Good. We're doing really good. We got a couple units up there already. We're getting ready for unit number 3. By now it's just rinse and repeat. We seem to figure out all the little tricks to make this specific job go by really easy.